Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amethyst teardrop earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is attach our amethyst to this gold stainless hoop. So to do that, I'm going to use a 22 gauge stainless steel wire. I'm going to string my amethyst on there, and I'm going to go about 1/3 of the way down, and then I'm going to want to bend both of the wires up so that they crisscross at the top of the amethyst. And then once they're both at the top and I can see where they crisscross, I'm going to go in there and I'm going to take the longer one and I'm going to bend it up. So that's going up, and then I'm going to hold this right here and I'm going to coil it around. I'm going to coil it around about 3 times, and then I'm going to take my pliers and cut off the excess wire. And then I'm going to put my pliers at the top of the wire, and I'm going to bend the wire away from me at a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to put my pliers in there, and I'm going to bend it around and make a loop. And then I'm going to open it up so that I can attach my hoop. Then I'm going to hold that loop and I'm going to coil it back around. And then I'm going to clip off the excess wire. Next, I'm going to use a 4mm jump ring. And it's open, so I'm going to find where that slit is, and I'm just going to twist that open with a pair of pliers on each side. And I'm going to put the hoop on, and then I'm going to attach this U-shaped stainless piece, and then I'm going to close it up. Just twist them back together. And then to attach the ear wire, you just want to take your pliers, and where that ring is at the bottom, you just want to twist that open. And you want to put your loop on there, and then close it back. And there you go, amethyst teardrop earrings. Thanks so much for watching. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Bye.